Not a bad old guitar. Old 70's Epiphone, bolt-on neck. All ready to go here. Good action. Enough of that noodling. Since I bought this guitar from a guy from Michigan, I'm going to do a tune that Bob Seger did, and he was from Michigan. It goes like this, is my version of it right here. On the lonesome highway, east of Omaha, you can listen to the engine moaning out its one note song. Think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before, and your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours with nothing much to do. Much like riding, and you wish the trip was through. Well, here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go playing star again. Here I go, turn the page. You walk into your restaurant, strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. Yeah, most times you can't hear them talk, other times you can. It's the same old cliche. You see a woman or a man, you always seem outnumbered, and you dare not make a stand. Well, here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go playing star again. Here I go, turn the page. You're out there in the spotlight, a million miles away, and every ounce of energy you try and give away, and sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifier still ringing in your head. Smoke the day's last cigarettes, remembering what she said. Well, here I am on the road again. Here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, playing star again. Here I go, turn the page. Here I am, on the road again. Well, here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, playing star again. Here I go, turn the page. Well, there you have it. The old Epiphone guitar. Got the dowel rod in there holding the neck together. And that's how you do it. Hey, thanks for watching this. Talk to you later. Bye now.